Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. My all-time favorite anti-aging device I've been using the last 6 months, my Nebulyft, is amazing, and I'm really excited to share with you guys that they have an awesome anniversary sale going on right now with huge savings where you can get 20% off the R1 plus a free 50 milliliter gel to go with it. So this is an amazing savings. I encourage you guys to check it out. Check them out at nebulyft.com. The sale is going now until the 13th, so don't miss out. And then I just wanted to quickly update you guys on the 6-month update that I've had using this little beauty. It just turned on. I've had some great results, so very excited to share with you guys. It has done amazing for tightening and lifting my skin, like firming, especially around the neck area and kind of down here by the jaw. So I've seen some really great, awesome results there. The very first thing that I noticed right away after the first use was the glowing skin that it gave me. It really does make skin glow. It feels amazing. Speaking of how it feels, it is super massaging and soothing. It heats up a little bit. I love it as part of my nighttime routine just to help me relax and get ready for bed because it is really very soothing and I find it very relaxing and just feels amazing on the skin. So you get really good rejuvenation with the Nebulyft, and it also works really well with fine lines and wrinkles. So I've been noticing that they look a little less prominent than they were before, even though I'm still aging, unfortunately, getting older every day. It definitely seems to help me out a lot there. I've been really happy with how it looks specifically around the eyes, because that is where I tend to show my age. And then also really great for evening skin tone out. I tend to get sunspots, especially this time of year. I feel like this does a really good job of evening my skin tone as well. It does a really amazing job of lifting facial contours as well. It helps with acne too, which is also an amazing perk. It also helps with pore size reduction too. Like I tend to get like bigger pores around my nose, or at least it looks enlarged. And I feel like it's really done a good job of just making them look smaller and not as noticeable. So I've had tremendous results there. So I really love it, you guys. Most people notice an instant effect with the first use. I did with the glowing skin, and it just makes my skin feel amazing. I find it super soothing, and I'm loving the anti-aging results that I'm getting using this. I've used so many products over the years, and I am a firm believer in Nebulyft. If there's one thing I would recommend, you guys should definitely try this out. So with their sale going on now, don't miss out. Some huge savings for you to be able to try it out yourself as well. I love my Nebulyft N1 Micro RF anti-aging device. I've been using it for 6 months and it is amazing. I love it, you guys. I've had great results. It has a one-touch button LED for more intelligent control, an RF panel, micro RF dots, LED light bar for monetizing treatment duration, as you can see here, and it also has vibration and sound alerts for easy mode switching, powering between on and off. You can also use the handy Nebulyft mobile app enabled for better treatment and product support. With precision to the surface of the skin. So it's going to stimulate natural collagen production as well as tighten and firm skin. Off the anniversary sale happening now through the 13th and get 20% off the R1 plus a free 50 milliliter gel. So there you have it. I hope you guys will go check out Nebulyft. Again, it's nebulyft.com. Don't miss out on their anniversary sale happening now until the 13th. Give this video a thumbs up, share with anyone you think would be interested. Comment below if you have any questions for me about the Nebulyft. I'd love to answer that for you. If you've tried it, I would love to hear your experience as well. And then also subscribe for free weekly awesome content. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.